Okay, so look at this beautiful question. If the line this, so this line is the normal, so they have already given you equation of normal to the hyperbola this, and you have to find out value of m. Okay, so let's try to solve this one. So suppose that we have the curve as root like x square by 24 minus y square by 18 equals to 1. Okay, now let's simplify this one. So you know that we will imagine a point in the parametric form, then we will find out equation of tangent. From equation of tangent we will take slope of tangent, and then we will find slope of normal, and then we will relate with this expression. So suppose that point P is root 24. So can I say that it is 2 root 6 sec theta? Correct? We used to write na a sec theta, b tan theta. Okay, so root 18 tan theta. So root 18 means what? 3 root 2 tan theta. So we got our point. Now let's find out equation of tangent. So you know that it is x1 2 root 6 sec theta upon 24 minus y 3 root 2 tan theta upon 18 equals to 1. So who is this? This is your equation of tangent. Okay, equation of tangent. Now if this is equation of tangent, can you please tell me the slope of your tangent mt? You know that you will connect this with whom? Y equals mx plus c. So coefficient of x defines the slope of tangent. So right now coefficient of x is what? 2 root 6 sec theta by 24. Now we will send this thing this side, and then we will divide both side by 3 root 2 tan theta and multiply both side by 18. Correct or wrong? Correct. So let's simplify. So it is 12 6 3 time 6 2 time 3 3 time, then this. Correct. So can I say that it is root 3 by 2 sec theta by tan theta? So sec theta is 1 by cos theta, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta gone. We are left with root 3 by 2 sin theta. Sin theta is in the denominator. Okay, so this is our slope of tangent. Now you know that you have to find out slope of normal. So what we will do? Slope of tangent into slope of normal equals minus 1. So slope of normal will be equal to 2 sin theta upon root 3. We got slope of normal. Now we will respond. How? We will find out. We got slope of normal and we got point on the curve. So using point slope form, can we write down equation of normal? So it is slope equals to slope. Here we will have minus. Okay, so minus 2 sin theta by root 3 equals y minus 3 root 2 tan theta upon x minus 2 root 6 sec theta. Correct. Now let's rearrange things. Correct, means we will write down this in y equals to mx plus c form. So let's do the cross multiplication. So we will have minus 2 sine theta x plus 4 root 6 sine by cos tan theta, correct, equals root 3 into y, like we will write minus, sorry, root 3y minus 3 root 6 tan theta, correct. This is the line 1, this is the line 2. Now go with line 3. Okay, so how we have to write down? We have to write y equals to mx plus c. So keep y thing on one side, remaining thing on another side. Okay, so everything on same side. So minus 2 sine theta x. Now 3 root 6 tan theta will go that side, it will become 7 root 6 tan theta, and here it is root 3, so let's divide both side by root 3, root 3. So according to us, equation of normal is this, but according to them, equation of normal is what? This, y equals mx plus 7 root 3. Now we have to find m. So what we will do, look at this, y is y, so hopefully this will be this, and hopefully this will be this. So we will compare these two things, then we will get tan theta, and then we will update. Okay, so let's use this area to find out the answer. Okay, so it is 7 root 6 by root 3 tan theta equals 7 root 3, देखो root 3, sorry, देखो 7 gone, correct. So can I say that tan theta will become a 3 by root 6, or can I say that it will become root 3 by root 2? So we got perpendicular and base. Is that okay? So we got our perpendicular and base. So can I say that hypotenuse will be equal to perpendicular square 3 plus base square 2. So hypotenuse will be 5. Correct? Now let's write down the final result. We want m. So who is m? M is minus 2 by root 3 sine theta. According to this is m. According to them, this is m. So I am trying to connect with m. So minus 2 by root 3 is done. Now sine theta. Sine theta is what? Perpendicular is root 3 by hypotenuse root 5. This thing done. So minus 2 by root 5. So the value of m is minus 2 by root 5. I hope you have applied all the concepts that you have already studied in beautiful way. Yes, it was lengthy, but it's worth it. These kind of questions are worth it. Okay.